Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, weekend eve. This is going to be a fantastic Friday, just because. Last night we actually opened up some of the windows and turned off the AC. The evening was pleasant. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to close the house back up because, according to Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, it's going to be 100 degrees here in Yuba City, California. But I will open the windows again later on. All right. Last night, I prepared, looking at my notes, garlic parmesan pork chops with cheesy scalloped potatoes. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. The pork chops were just very good, and I'm quoting Robin, and she says, don't tell the manufacturer of shake and bake, but it's better than shake and bake. Because there was Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs and Italian herbs and black pepper and garlic and just yumminess. You know, they got pan fried a little bit, but if you remember from yesterday, we found a flaw in the instructions. So I got the potatoes, built up, and got them in the oven, and I let them bake for about a half hour, and then I put the pork chops on top of those wonderful scalloped potatoes, and let them cook off for the rest of the hour. Very good, great meal. I'll get it posted, and I will make sure to put the note in to don't do what it says. All right, tonight, I'm on my own. Robin is going to be traveling to Oakland this afternoon, and she has a meeting tonight, and she's staying over in Oakland tonight, and I won't be back until sometime tomorrow evening. So I'm on my own for dinner tonight. So if any of you out there want to take me out to dinner, I'm just kidding. I'm probably I still have some breakfast stuff over from the other day. I got biscuits and some sausage. It could be rice. It could be. I don't know. I don't know what to get. But whatever. I will not starve. I don't think I will. All right. So that's what I've got going on today. And next week, this is in no order. A couple fun things here. I found a great recipe for mozzarella sticks. Yeah. Unfortunately, one of Rayleigh's, aka Bel Air, $5 Mondays is string cheese. So I'll be picking that up. And I'm going to be doing my wonderful macaroni salad. It's summer. Just doing that. And we're going to be doing a baked potato bar. And then another meal will be Hawaiian-style teriyaki chicken. And then I'm going to do my ribs and chili mac, and a great little recipe I picked up the other day, shrimp and cabbage. And one of the meals is going to be all vegetarian, veggie stir fry, but very Asian inspired. Like I said, these are in no order. It's the last week of the month. All the proteins, there's four protein meals in that menu, and they're all coming out of the freezer. I built it around it. So trying to save some money this week and eat pretty healthy, because that's pretty healthy. So that's what I've got going on for next week, starting Sunday. So on this Friday, this fabulous Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.